All right, we've made it to day number 14 in the One Funnel Away Challenge. Let's see what happened. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jake, and we are on day number 14 of the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is another kind of break day. We're getting two breaks. We got the catch-up day yesterday, and then this is just the day for review, where you go over your homework and stuff. And we're going to go over that in a second to cover what we did in the previous week. We did have a video by Jim Edwards, and basically all he was going over was what in the world an Epiphany Bridge script is, or an Epiphany Bridge story. Basically, the whole goal of an Epiphany Bridge story is to explain why you're selling this thing, who you are, and what makes you qualified to do that. There's a few ways you can do that. There's 6 different examples of ways you can tell your story. The first one is a personal experience that you had with whatever you're selling or advertising or talking about. An observation you've made. You noticed something and then you found this solution. Then you got the pressing need. Pretty obvious. You needed something, you found it, here it is, bam, now you're selling it. The aha moment, and then desire to serve and help, pain for self or others. But yeah, that's his 10-minute story in a nutshell. Obviously, he goes into a little more detail than I am. I don't really want to go over every bit of that. If that's something y'all want to see, if you want me to go explain in detail what an Epiphany Bridge story is, we can do an entire video on that, but it's going to have to wait a couple weeks. Let's do the review of the homework real quick. Oh, rewind for a second. He did actually have this as well. He gave an extra, it's a speech of him at Funnel Hacking Live 2019, where he goes up there and talks about the Epiphany Bridge stories. He actually tells quite a few examples on stage as well, so it was a pretty good learning experience. So that's a good watch. Like I said, if you want me to do a whole video on that, I can. We got our mission review homework. We offered hacked 10 competitors. That was actually really hard for our niche because honestly, I don't think we ever even found 10 competitors in the system. We found, I think, 8, and not all of them had very good offers. Most of them were just drop ship bows from like China. Yeah, like the vast majority of them were. So next was built and tried to sell your quick practice offer. I actually put together one. My wife did not. And we never really practiced because it ended up being a pretty busy week for us, so we kind of sucked on that end. The next one is created your own offer and offer sequence in your funnel map. Okay, so about this. We did the homework from the previous day. This is actually what made us fall behind in the homework. We did the homework for the previous day. I did. I did an offer for that. They never actually in the thing said to work on your offers, so I kind of figured it was going in the next day. I didn't read ahead in the homework at all. I'm trying to take this one day at a time like somebody normally would. Probably not the best thing to do if you're doing a review on something, but that's what happened. So that actually put us behind. So the offer sequences we ended up doing the next day. We did get that done though, for the most part. We're not 100% sold on that if that's what we're going to go with, but we do have a rough layout. All right, next one is found the who to create the offer assets and e-covers. We have not done this for the simple fact that we're not 100% decided on it, and e-covers are crazy expensive. Found the who to build the content in your offer pieces. This was unneeded, actually. We are doing it all ourselves. I'm making the PDFs, Ashley's making the videos, and we actually went and got some PLR products to kind of move in there, and a lot of the things we are selling are physical, so nothing really for people to create. And yeah, that's basically all the homework for today, and really the whole week. We did get it all done for the most part. Some things we're just waiting on, like the e-covers. We're still kind of tweaking. We're not even set on the price for one of the offers. That'll adjust as we go. But yeah, that's the basic review and layout of this week. It was a fun week. It was an interesting week, and we finally did hit one day where it was only an hour of work. So I would say so far it's more of like, instead of 1 to 2 hours a day, I would say it's more like 1 to 3 hours a day. If you don't count the YouTube videos, obviously this has taken up a lot more time for me. Overall, it's been awesome. I'm very happy with the program as of right now. I think that's really all we got. Easy day, quick review. Tomorrow we start in heavy again, so that's gonna be fun. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video. I appreciate it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. and I will see you all tomorrow in the next video. Later.